is that there really isn't a standard, and you go from state to state, and each state has crazily divergent views of what computer science is. There's not certifications, and it's usually considered an elective, sort of like the way that SHOP or home ec or something like that would be considered. So what they want to do is they want to change that so that computer science, and it's very well defined, it's a great program, computer science gets recognized as a core requirement the same way that math and the sciences are. So if you believe in this, if you think that this is an important issue, I really encourage you to go to this site and find out a little more about it, and then tell your senators, your congressmen, how you feel about this, because the legislation is changing now. It's happening in the next year and a half. So now is a great time to let your voice be heard about this, because it does ultimately affect us all. So hope people have questions. I'd love to hear what you think. Thank you. Yes. Oh, sorry. There's microphones.
So I think I've done this kind of training as you suggest, and the biggest thing I have with it is it's a lot of work. So
Yes.
Universities can teach 150 people. You can teach a class at a lecture, maybe 1 or 2 TAs. When we were doing this, we had a class of 10 with 1 lecturer, maybe two or 3 TAs, an administrator who was checking up on the students and the like. So it's almost a 2 or 3 students to 1 to teacher ratio, and that's expensive.
It's very expensive. Yep. Yeah. No. Ultimately, giving our ideas and our curriculum over to professional teachers, I think that's going to be way more efficient. I think we figured that out as a society, right? That's why we have schools.
So one thing that can help is volunteer mentors. So if OpSchool can register professional sysadmins who are willing to mentor people, let them ask questions. We can actually do this a lot cheaper, reasonably distance education. You need more than just training materials that people can read through in exams. You're going to need a shoulder to cry on, someone to offer a clarification, that kind of thing.
Yeah, I agree. I think that's a great idea. So they're setting up I'll just write ideas down, right?
Can you go for the mic and identify yourself, please?
Oh, sorry, yes. I'm John Looney in Google. I was Dean of our Esri University internally.
Awesome. Thank you. Yes.
Hi, I'm Phil Farrell, and I work at Stanford University in one of the smaller departments. I was just kind of reacting to your ideas about the overlap in education.